Be blessed by the divine. Can Kundalini burn up your karma? Let me first define karma. Karma is cause and effect system. Karma is action result system. Karma is an imprint action result system. Karmic imprints, therefore, are the imprints that you carry in your genetic center from the past life, namely your father, mother, and so on and so forth. What you have inherited and born as Sanchita Karma, what you have acquired during this lifetime, every thought, every word, every deed has become an imprint in your genetic center. And your akamya karma, your mind's future, desire-based, will-based karma. These three karmic imprints drive your actions. If you question them, you will realize that you are what you have been thinking of, what you have been speaking of, what you have been doing for so many years. So if you need a better life, if you need better relationships, if you need success, peace, good health, then today you have to start developing good karmas, good karmic imprints, and get rid of the negative imprints or sin imprints or sinful karmic imprints, bad karmic imprints from your genetic center. Kundalini meditation helps you to neutralize your karmic imprints, which means newer bad imprints can be neutralized. You can prevent newer karmic imprints from acquiring into your genetic center. Agna meditation neutralizes akamya karma. Duriya meditation neutralizes the akamya and prarabdha karma. Duriyatita meditation, when you meditate at the universal energy field and beyond with the static almighty force, that state helps you to neutralize your akamya, prarabdha, and even your sanchita karma. But every action of yours contains within itself a perfect, precise result. Result could be peace, ecstasy, pleasure, or pain. You cannot escape it. You have to do two more things to burn up your karma forever. One, you have to superimpose positive thinking over negative thinking, positive actions over negative actions. Two, you have to learn to sublimate your karmic imprint. Supposing you have hurt somebody, supposing let's say you have said something wrong and hurt your loved one, go and say sorry to them. Find out how you can compensate them for the hurt that you have caused them. Once they forgive you from the bottom of your heart, their heart, then your karmic imprints will get neutralized, will get sublimated, eradicated, removed. These are the three techniques by which you can burn your karma. Kundalini meditation helps you in all these three. Good luck. May you achieve salvation. May you achieve deliverance from sin and deliverance from your sinful karmic imprints. May your genetic center be purified. Be blessed by the divine.